What's your name, ma'am?
Aditi.
When I was in village, I also had one friend, Aditi.
And now you found another friend. Here am I. Okay. Tell me something about your friends. Any friend who is a drama queen, always, creating or doing some acting and drama. Any
Uh,
friend who's, yes, tell me.
Acting in my school. Yes, Aradhya and Jia. There are so many people who do acting in my school. All the girls can do acting.
Any friend who loves to pose, get her pictures clicked, loves to wear new clothes, and lady.
Old lady? I don't know, ma'am. Any old friend?
Like some girls, some friends are there who are very they are very wise, they are very mature, they have good knowledge.
I
Any
think
friend who's very like
Yogeshwari. It is so beautiful. There's a fountain. I like going there. And ma'am, what is your near your house? Is there any special place you like to go?
That's so sweet of you. That's so sweet of you. There is one market nearby my house. I really like to visit that market. There are two gift shops, very beautiful gift shops. So sometimes I just visit, enter into the shop, look around the gifts and the new things. I come out. And there is one park. A lot of people bring their dogs for walk, and it has a lot of flowers. It has a lot of flowers. I really like that park. There is one a shopping complex which I visit a lot to buy some vegetables, paneer, milk, and it's a very beautiful complex. It has a lot of trees and it looks
What
beautiful,
is
green.
complex?
Complex is like a big thing and it has small things in it. For example, there are some temples which are temples complex. One big complex and small temples. There's a shopping complex near my house. One big building and lots of small shops. So one big thing and lots of small things in it, like a complex.
Ma'am, do you like visiting the mall?
Yes, sometimes.
My mother like, but if she has went there, she will just look around the things and try. What can I buy? What can I buy? But if she don't have enough money, she will not buy that.
Tell me something about your teachers. Any teacher who becomes a kid with other kids?
Ma'am, I don't know who becomes kid with other kid.
Any teacher who's very strict?
Strict. Mm, I don't know who is strict in my school. Nobody is strict.
Any teacher who is very traditional, like they like to do old things, they believe in old traditions, they believe in old concepts. Any teacher who's very traditional?
I think my school teacher might be because only young kids like whose age is 7 or 6 they do craft. But in my school we don't do study. Sometimes we do study. Sometimes after studying about the lesson, only on Wednesday teacher say bring paper, bring glue, bring this. So my class teacher.
Any student in your class who's a very shy? Any student in your class who's a very shy, very reserved?
There are so